Hi, if you're new here, I'm Dee Dee. I am in Montana and my zone is 4B. So, yeah, today I'm gonna clean up an iris bed that I have. I think I planted like, I don't know, 3 irises and now it's just, they have just multiplied. It's amazing. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's beautiful today. It's the 3rd of January and it's 44 degrees. I think the high is supposed to be 49. So I thought I'd get out and do some garden maintenance. So yeah, if this interests you, then come on along. So this is what I'm gonna work on today. I gotta get all these irises cleaned up. And then I'm going to, in the spring, I'm going to transplant them. But we need to get all this stuff cut up right now. So I just have pruners and my little bench. So yeah, let's get started. So, in case you're wondering why I'm sitting on this bench, because last year I had both my hips replaced. So, it's hard for me to get down on my knees. This bench does flip upside down, so you can get on your knees if you need to. And then it's got handles, so it's been a lifesaver for me in the garden to be able to get up and down and keep working in my garden. So, I'm really looking forward to this next year because I have 2 new hips, and so that's going to make a world of difference. I don't know if you can see that, but I've already got irises coming up, and so many of them. So I think I'm just going to take out this whole bed and transplant it because this is east facing, so it gets the morning sun pretty good, and then a little bit into late morning, and then the sun goes behind the house. So these don't really bloom like they should. So I'm gonna put them back over behind the fence over there. So then they get total all day sun. And I think that they'll really thrive over there.
good too, so wild strawberries.
It's a beautiful day. So here's the before. And here's after. I am a little worried about these tips freezing. So I might come out here and put some compost on them. But yeah, that was good. Get that done.